To convert a Canva design to a Shopify landing page, follow these steps to ensure seamless integration. Design your landing page in Canva. Log into Canva and create a new design with the appropriate dimensions for your landing page. Design your landing page with relevant content like images, text, buttons, and branding. After finishing the design, click download and select PNG or JPEG for the file format. You can also download as a PDF if necessary. Create a new landing page in Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and go to Online Store, Pages. Click Add Page and name it. Upload your Canva design to Shopify. In the page editor, click on the Insert Image icon to upload your Canva design file. Upload the image you downloaded from Canva. Adjust the layout to make sure the design fits the page properly. Customize your page. Add any additional elements like Shopify buttons, forms, and text. Save your page and preview it. Publish the landing page. Once satisfied, publish your page and share the URL.